and welcome to our channel. After washing this client with our intense hydrating shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to apply our hydrating leave-in conditioner and about 5 pumps of our blow dry cream to her hair. Using a wide tooth comb, I'm going to section her hair at the nape and then clip away the top and detangle starting from the ends and working my way up. I find that when the hair is detangled properly, the blow dry process becomes so much easier. Parting out the next section from temple to temple, I'm going to continue to detangle and then blow dry the hair as I did previous. As you can see, I'm going underneath the hair to blow dry. This allows me to really stretch this hair out with the paddle brush and get it as straight as possible. The straighter the blow dry, the less passes you'll have to make with the flat iron when you're straightening the hair. As a stylist, I find the blow dry process so therapeutic. Not to mention the fact that the clients love to feel the bristles against their scalp. Please let me know if it's just me. Comment below because I really love blow drying. Usually I use a 1-2-3 method when blow drying the client's hair, which means that I part the hair in 3 sections and I work going from the bottom up. But because this client's hair is very dense, I'm actually going to have to do 4 sections, and you'll see me just working through manageable sections to ensure that her hair is completely dry at the end of this process. Now I'm going to use the comb piece to the blow dryer and blow dry the roots. The worst thing is to have dry hair and wet roots, especially when you're doing a silk press. The last thing you need is steam blowing off on the client's scalp. completely dry, I'm going to take a dime size of our Heat Guard and Shine Serum and apply it thoroughly to the client's hair as a heat protector. So for her kitchen, I'm going old school, and I am going to be using a straightening comb. Being sure to get every single hair because I'm such a perfectionist. To flat iron the hair, I am using the chase comb method, using a comb to go underneath the hair and then pulling the flat iron through. Now that I've done my first pass, which is to straighten the hair, I'm going to go back in taking bigger sections to curl it. The tighter the curls, the more bouncy the silk press. For clients who want a more sleek look, I just go in and bump the ends slightly. When curling the hair, I like to angle it in the way I want the hair to fall. So if I want the hair to fall over to the left, I'm going to angle my flat iron so that the curls are going to the left and vice versa. So guys, look at these juicy, bouncy curls. This is what you want your hair to look like when doing a voluminous silk press. I'm going to wrap her hair around, then cover it with the saran wrap. She'll be under the dryer for about 15 minutes on cool air, just so the hair could cool down and her curls will last longer. Once she's done under the dryer, I'm going to twist the saran wrap in the direction in which I wrapped her hair. Starting with a wide tooth comb, I'm going to comb out the hair from the center going forward. Look at this body and bounce. Let me slow it down for you. Look at the pop. Wow. This is amazing. This client likes a side part, so I'm going to part out her hair and then comb it down with the more narrow side of the comb. Look at it. Look at it. The flip. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. To finish off her style, I'm just going to apply a little bit of serum to the top of her head just to get rid of any flyaways. Her edges are very unruly, so I'm going to lay them down with some of our sleek edge control. results, guys. A gorgeous silk press and a happy client. All the products used today will be listed in the description box below. Thank you for watching.